How's everybody doing? This is Fix Right, and today I would like to share with you guys on how to install the front license plate for a 2012 Audi A4 Avant. But the procedure should be very similar for all Audi makes and models. Of course, you can just go ahead and, you know, drill in your holes and mount the license plate like this, but it wouldn't look too professional. So Audi has this piece that you can buy. It's the front license plate mounting grill. Here's a picture of it. So to start, we're gonna remove the two Torx. I believe these are the T25 Torx over here. So go ahead and remove that. And then after that, you can unclip there's mounting clips back here, so you just kind of pull it down with your hand and lift up the assembly. Here's a clearer picture of the clips. Here's the bottom. Kind of pull this one down, lift out the license plate, and also there's clips up here, so be careful to do the same as well. Install the license plate, the new license plate frame on. Make sure you clip all the clips, down properly. Install the two T20s, T25 Torx, like that. And here you can see I only have 4 screws, so I use 2 for the to hold the bracket, and the other 2 I will use to mount the actual license plate to this trim. There, you go ahead and pre-drill 2 small holes so you can mount the license plate. That is it. Thank you for watching, everybody. Subscribe, and I will see you again. Thank you.